everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for watching English Vinglish with Raka. Today we are going to talk about new words, okay? 5 new words and their usage, how we can use them, their meanings. Today's video is not going to be on English grammar, but we are going to build a strong vocabulary, okay? And within 5 minutes, we are going to learn 5 new words. So, let's go. Okay, so the first word is extant. The pronunciation is extant. It is an adjective and the meaning of this word in English is in existence or not lost. Means something that exists, that is here, okay, in present. In Bengali, এমন একটা জিনিস যার অস্তিত্ব আছে, অস্তিত্ব থাকা, এই ব্যাপারটা হলো extant, যা বর্তমান, যা বিদ্যমান. In Hindi, वर्तमान or मौजूद. Okay, the next word is vapid. V-A-P-I-D. Okay, this is I. Vapid. The pronunciation is vapid and it is also an adjective. The meaning of this word in English, tasteless, okay, and dull. In Bengali, it is স্বাদহীন, অস্পষ্ট বা নীরস. In Hindi, बेस्वाद, फीका और नीरस, okay, जिसमें कोई स्वाद नहीं है और जो नीरस है और फीका. The third word is limb and it is a verb. The pronunciation is limb. In English, this word means to draw or describe. In Bengali, it means বর্ণনা করা, কোনো কিছু আঁকা বা চিত্রিত করা. In Hindi, it means रचना या फिर कुछ लिखना. Okay? The next word is lucre. The pronunciation is lucre. L-U-C-R-E. Okay? It is a noun and the meaning in English is money or profits. In Bengali, it means অর্থ লাভ, টাকা পয়সা অথবা ধন দৌলত অথবা কোনো কিছু লাভ. Okay? In Hindi, it means धन या दौलत और कुछ लाभ करना. Okay? The fifth and the last word of today is rail. Okay? The pronunciation is rail and it is a verb. In English, it means to scold with bitter or abusive language. Okay? In Bengali, it means গালিগালাজ করা বা নিন্দা করা বা তীব্র কোনো বাজে ভাষায় কাউকে কিছু বলা. In Hindi, it means ताना मारना, खिल्ली उड़ाना या फिर गाली देना. Okay? Okay, as we said that we will also talk about the sentences, how we can use these words in a sentence. So, let's see. First, extant. Extant means something which is which exists or that is present. Okay? Although the painter is dead, his paintings are available and extant means exists for viewing in the museum. Okay? I used extant here. Okay? Next, vapid. Vapid means something tasteless or dull. She made a vapid comment about the game. Means she made a dull comment about the game. Okay? I use vapid in this sentence in this way. Okay? Next word, limb. Limb means to draw or describe. The artist had limned a beautiful picture of the heels. Okay? The artist had drawn a beautiful picture of the heels. Okay? Next, lucre. Lucre means money or profits. I don't want to touch any of your filthy lucre. Okay? Filthy money. Last word is rail. To scold with a bitter language or abusive language. For coming late in the class, the teacher railed the boy. For coming late in the class, the teacher scolded the boy with a bitter language. Okay? So this is it for today's video. I hope that this video helped you in creating your own stock of words. Also helped you to learn how we can use these words in a sentence. If you think that this video is helpful, then don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Like this video and comment down below.